Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make a fake video call on Telegram using your mobile phone. So pay attention this lesson for you to understand every single step that I'm going to take here. Pay very attention to understand this. Don't skip any step that I'm taking before you go and make all kinds of comments that I don't do it well or you don't understand. Please try to pay attention to understand everything. So let's look for Telegram. So here is my Telegram. Here is my Telegram. You can see my Telegram here. So I want us to take it step and step. I'll teach you how everything works. So let us take it step by step and we are going to understand everything. I don't know who owns this number, but let us try to call this number. It says fail to connect, something like that. So as you can see, it is already dark. Here I am on the screen, but you don't see me. You are not seeing me at all because it is already dark. So let us do it and you understand everything, how I'm going to take everything step by step. So we are not going to do it here. So let me tell you the app that's going to make it happen. Go to Play Store and install this called Visual Cam. Visual Cam. Look at it. Then open it. If you don't have this Telegram stored here, then click here to install it. Click here then to install it. Then all this, you can see clone app here. You can see where it is written clone app. Then you can clone all this app here. You can make use of it through this place. Then you look for Telegram. Then you can see Telegram. There's one icon you are seeing like star that's showing that it's already installed. So all you click, it is installed successfully. Look at my Telegram here. I've already signed it. If you never sign it on your phone, it will ask you to sign up. It will look like a new brown Telegram. But I have already signed in. Then you have to click this three dot here. You can see it. You click here, then click here, click visual camera setting, click and click here. If it is not written use local video, you can select anything you want. Disable use real camera device. If you press this one, it will act like you are in phone. Then you disable this app, and you are using your own camera, your own real camera, the phone camera. The camera will be seeing your face while making a video call. If you use local video, then it will seize your camera. Then it's going to pick video that you're going to use. This one is network video streaming. If you want to do live video streaming on Facebook, every other thing, you can use this app as well and do it. Use local picture. You can use picture to replace your face while making a video call, or use any background you want while using the picture. So another important setting is this one. As you can see, this icon on and off, on and off. This, do you know what this does? This thing, all the function is that when you on this, the person you are calling will be hearing the particular video you select to make to replace yourself. If it's a video, the person will be hearing the background noise, anything that video will say, the person you call will be hearing that. But if you turn it off, it is going to off the video voice. Then you are going to use your own sound. You're going to use your own mouth to answer the person. So it is very important to know this before you go disgrace yourself. Put in a video that people will be hearing what the video is saying. So another thing is this: choose local video. Then choose local video. You press choose local video. All this video are video located in my gallery. So I can click one. I have already clicked this particular. Let me show you the video that I select. It's my video. This is it. It's my video. This is it. So that when I make call, you can see this is it. It is when I visit the beach. We went to flex on the beach. It's still me. But you can see it as a video. I'm just selected it so that you won't say that maybe I edited it. See the video here. Then I click it. Then I'll turn the camera on. I'll turn the sound on so that you'll be hearing the voice when I try to make this call. Then another thing is, after selecting all this, but if you want to call another person, please try to off this audio, enable all this audio sound. If you don't want the person to be hearing what the video is saying, then after all you click save. After you click save, everything is saved now. Then all we need to do is to open this Telegram here and try to make call. Whoever we call will be seeing the video we selected. So I'm going to try it for you to see. So pay very, very attention. All right, now this is Telegram. I've chosen video. Let us call. As you can see, let me share the video. This is the video that I selected, but as you can see, the video is not positioned well. So I'm going to set it so that it will fit the screen and look very normal. I'm going to call again to set the camera, to set the video to fit the screen. Just watch very, very attentively so that you don't make any mistake, because there's a way the video will be looking. The person you call will not believe you at all. So let us go. And this is what you're going to do. As you can see, you try to press whether horizontal or vertical, but if it don't work, then select the video one. So now you're going to select channel 1, then press rotate. This rotate screen, rotate. If it don't work, then press the camera rotate. Then the video has fit in the camera. Exactly, this is what it look like. Very good. There's nothing else. This is how you can make good video call on Telegram without showing your face. I hope you find this video watchful and understanding. So please try to subscribe. I have already shown you the app that make it happen. So don't fail to leave my channel without subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Suggest Pro. If you find this video helpful, please try to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to bring more video better than this one next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you.